Cast aluminum patio furniture is strong, rust-proof, and durable enough to withstand all types of weather. It's one of the most popular choices in outdoor furniture because it's known for its durability, longevity, and low maintenance. Cast aluminum's durability comes from its construction. It's made through a process of pouring hot aluminum into a mold. This means that cast aluminum is completely solid and can be made into virtually any shape and design with a high amount of detail without compromising its strength. Combine this with aluminum's natural rust resistance, and this is the perfect combination for a long-lasting and strong material for outdoor furniture. The aluminum is then painted into virtually any color and finished with a protective coating for aesthetics as well as protection from the elements.